NESHAA. Welcome back to my channel. Yes, ma'am. As y'all can see, my hair is already blown out. So today we're going to be doing another hair video because it's been a hot minute. So we're going to be doing the braided ponytail, y'all. So yes, I'm already blown out because y'all should know how to blow dry your hair. If y'all don't, let me know and I got y'all. So today I'm going to be using a hot comb. It's not on. Let's turn it on. So let's get ready. It got to be spray. It got to be glue. Any type of edge control you want. You need a real hard brush. A hard brush. You need hair ties. And also, lastly, some braiding hair. This braiding hair I'm using. It don't really matter what length that you get though to me because you're gonna be doing the feeding process anyway, so it's just like, yeah. And you're also gonna need like a little hair wrap, a hair tie, whatever you got, bandana, edge wrap, something to this sort. I recently, a year ago, it's just been a year, I did the big chop, and yeah. So I really haven't put heat in my hair besides me blow drying my hair to get certain styles since I cut my hair. This will be the first time that I'm putting some type of, you know, real heat to my hair. You can use a straightener, you can use this, it don't really matter, but for this purpose I'm gonna use this. So now you don't have to do it perfect, just section your hair off. Part don't have to be straight and none of that. Again, this not hot enough, so I'll be back once this heat up the roof. Just to make sure your ponytail is flat with no humps or nothing. If you want, when your hair is like way more poofier than mine, you can also go over it with a straightener instead of a hot comb. But me, I'm just trying to get the roots, so. Well, whatever you want to add, edge control got to be whatever you want to use, but I really don't want to use edge control or eco styler because, you know, I'm natural. It's gonna curl my hair back up. And straighten it and blow dry it for a reason, not for it to curl back up. So, my bad if y'all hearing this movie in the background. I'll try this to keep this good and flat back here. Good and flat. As y'all can see.
Okay, yeah, leave it. Yeah, it's top of my hair, as y'all can see. We all split down into it. So now I'm keep going the same process until I get to the front.
Section it all. The haircut in the top like this. I'm gonna use that one. Yeah. Rip it with the ponytail. You spray at the base. Hard brush. Just brush it back. Even with the ponytail, even with the ponytail. And again, why I'm using this spray instead of anything else is because anything else is gonna curl my hair back up. And that would have defeated the whole purpose of me blow drying my hair. You want to make sure you put the ponytail tight, super tight. Because then it'll hold in the same spot. See? Make sure the ponytail tight. It ain't gotta be super, super tight. Because you're going to add your braid. You just brush this smoothly back with the other hair. Make sure ain't no bumps, no lumps. Okay. And if you want your ponytail higher, you gotta make sure that you raising it up as you go. But I want my ponytail like kinda in the middle-ish. I'm gonna attempt to do my fucking edges. If you don't want bad skin, don't take Braided Ponytail. No, but seriously though, y'all. I never had bad skin until I use this to lay all my edges at the top too, y'all. So to lay all of this down right here, I'm gonna just use this too. Hard brush after everything is done. And boom. One side is complete. And y'all really don't even want to take this other hair tie off because I'm scared I'm messing everything else up. So we just gonna put another hair tie over this one. Which I think is a good idea. This is where you want to get your edge wrap, the bandana, the big one so I don't mess up. Nice. Okay, so we're going to get a hair tie. I'm going to wrap it like this. I don't know how to explain it. Stick it through. And pull up. So then you have this. And then you put this like on your hair. Like a regular ponytail.
Now this is what I'm a little mad about because I forgot I had these. Mine was like 3 years old. I didn't want to take these. You know what I mean? So, they have this. So, first I add one more thing. I think my hair doesn't look good in the day. I would.
And giving me extra hair, so just be prepared. And you want to break it up because you're not going to be able to break it up once you're in the middle of a braid. yours is. Get myself in the face. But that's all I have for you guys today. If you like this video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. And until next time, I am out.